Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary second year math textbook 2019 onwards, exercise 2.4, question number 1. Write the following in the rectangular form. First one, conjugate is given of the complex number 5 plus 9i plus 2 minus 4i. First add the real part, 5 plus 2 is 7, and add the imaginary part, 9i minus 4i is plus 5i. Now conjugate of 7 plus 5i is 7 minus 5i. Then second question, 10 minus 5i over 6 plus 2i. Here we have to multiply the conjugate of the denominator, that is 6 minus 2i over 6 minus 2i. Then multiply it off, 10 into 6 is 60 minus 20i minus 30i, minus 5 into minus 2 is 10, 10i square, that is minus 10 over 6 square minus 2i square. 6 square minus 2i square. Here by simplifying the numerator, that real terms are 60 minus 10 is 50, and imaginary part is minus 20i minus 38, that is minus 50i over 6 6 or 36 plus 4, 50 minus 50i by 40. Then by simplifying, divide by 10, and it gives 5 by 4, 1 minus I. Then third question, 3i conjugate plus 1 over minus 2i plus 1 over 2 minus I. Here the first conjugate of 3i is minus 3i, and 1 over 2i. You have to multiply with I into I, numerator and denominator. It gives minus 3i plus I into 1 is I over 2i square is minus 2. So which gives here, before that, here 2i, it gives 2 minus I, not 2i. Here 2 minus I, which gives conjugate of 3i is minus 3i plus 1 over 2 minus I, multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of 2 minus I, that is 2 plus I over 2 plus I, which gives minus 3I plus denominator is 2 square minus I square. Now on top is 2 into 1 is 2 plus I, which gives minus 3I plus here 2 square is 4 minus 1 is 3. Here 2 plus I, take an LCM of 3 minus 9i, 3 into 3 is 9, plus 2 plus I, which gives uh, it is 5, not 3, because 2 square plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5, which equal minus 8i, where 15i here, that is minus 15, that is minus 14i plus 2 over 5. So we'll write separately real and imaginary part, that is 2 over 5 minus, that is we can write plus I into minus 14 over 5. Now let us do the second question. Here, if x is z is x plus iy, find the following in rectangular form. Real part of 1 over z. Here, question number 2. Z is given as x plus iy. Find the following rectangular form. First one, real part of 1 over z. So, which is equal, real part of 1 over z is 1 over x plus iy, because z is x plus iy. Here, first we have to find, multiply with conjugate of denominator, that is 1 over x plus iy into x minus iy over x minus iy, which gives here x square plus y square, top is x minus iy. Here the real part of this real part of this complex number is x over x square plus y square. Then second question, real part of I into z bar, real part of I conjugate of z, which is equal real part of I, z is x plus iy, the conjugate is x minus iy, which is equal real part of I into x is ix, I into I is I squared, but minus, so it is plus plus y plus y. Here therefore real part of this is y only. So real part equal to y. Real part is y. Now third question. Imaginary of 3z plus 4z bar minus 4i. Third, imaginary part of 3z plus 4 bar z minus 4i. Now write imaginary 3 z is x plus iy, 4 into z bar is x minus iy minus 4i, which is equal imaginary of 3x plus 3i3y plus 4x minus I4y minus 4i. Now we split real and imaginary, like here 3x plus 4x is 7x. 7x is a real part, then plus I common, 3y minus 4y 4y minus 4. So further imaginary 7x plus I, 3y minus 4y is minus y minus 4. Therefore imaginary part of this complex number is minus y minus 4. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.